Hello, class 6. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I hope that you might have studied my last chapter. So, last time we studied about motion. Motion, I taught you first time motion. The reason behind it is also in 7th class. When you will go in 7th class, you will again study the same chapter, motion. That's why I taught you few topics related to motion of 7th and few topics related to motion of your book. Okay, we have completed. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 1. The name of chapter 1 is food. So actually the name of chapter is very long, but I have written the name of chapter in short, food. So let's talk about the food. So we know that food is very essential for living being. We eat food because food provides us energy to do work. Without food we can't get energy. And there are different kind of sources of food. There are different kind of sources of food. We get food from different kind of plants, different kind of animals. There are many sources of food. So in short, there are two sources of food. Mainly there are two sources of food. So remember, from where do we get food? From where do we get food? From where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Remember, we get food from plants and animals. Yes, there are two main sources. Now let's study about these two sources. Okay, let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So in the beginning we will study about the plants, food from plants. Yes, kids, we get food from plants. We get food from plants. Yes, actually plants are the main source of food. Plants are the main source of food. We get most of our food from plants. We get most of our food from plants. Plants give us fruits, vegetables. Plants give us fruits and vegetables like grapes, mango, carrot, cabbage, potato, and many things. You can see on the screen different kind of pictures of fruits and vegetables. First picture is grapes. Okay, you already know. Mango, you know. Carrot, we eat carrot. Cabbage, spelling of cabbage. Look at the spelling of cabbage. 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 Potato, tomato, you already know about that. So actually plant give us fruits and vegetable. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. Yes. So carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot, they all are actually root. They all are root. Carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot, they all are root. We eat them. Okay, and we eat different kind of seed that we get from plants. We eat different kind of seeds that we get from plants. Okay, so which seeds do we get from plants? We get wheat, maize, jawar, bajra, we eat them. And we eat leguminous plants, means plants with pod, okay, like kidney bean, peas, so moong bean, they are leguminous plant. Green bean, chickpea, cowpea, okay. And we also eat different kind of flour. We also eat different kind of flour. For example, sunflower. Sunflower give us oil. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, we make the vegetable of cauliflower, okay. So different kind of things provided by plants, okay. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, next topic is food from animals. Till the end of class we will discuss only about animals. Till the end of class we will discuss only about animals. In next class we will discuss in detail about plants, okay. Next class we will discuss in detail about plants, okay. Let's begin. So food from animals, heading I have given, food from animals. So we get different kind of food from animals, yes. Suppose a simple example, if I give you goat, goat, goat. Goat give us milk, yes. We use milk, we drink milk. You can see the picture of milk with a cow. Cow gives milk, and milk is completely a whole food itself. So milk, not only milk, we use milk in a different ways, yes. Milk is used to make buttermilk. Milk is used to make curd, yes, curd, or you can say yogurt, okay. Milk is also used to make ghee, definitely. Milk is used to make cheese, yes. So there are different kind of things we can make with the help of milk. And if I talk about chickens, chickens give us egg. Chickens give us egg. And many people eat fish. And many people eat different kind of animals, yes, because different kind of animals provide meat. You can see the picture of a pig. Can you see the picture of a pig? Yes. The meat of pig is called pork. The meat of pig is called pork, yes. So vegetarian people eat only plants product, and non-vegetarian eat animals product. But human being eat plants as well as animal product, okay. So I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, next topic is, you can see the heading I have written, what do animals eat? What do animals eat? Yes, tell me, what do animals eat? Human being means we. We are also animal. Yes, we are also animal. Yes, because we also eat plants and animal product. Okay, so different animals eat different thing, like you can see the picture. Can you see the picture of cow? Can you see the picture of cow? What does cow eat? What does cow eat? Cow eat grass. Yes, the main food of cow is green grass. Yes, cow eat grass, definitely. Sure. You can see the picture of a tiger. What do you think? What does tiger eat? A tiger eat meat. Yes, tiger a tiger kills the animals, different animal. It means tiger depend upon different animals for meat, or you can say for food. Tiger depend upon other animals for food. Okay, so a tiger eat meat, cow eat grass. So different animals eat different things. Okay, so now we will study about different animals, that what do they eat. Okay, let's begin. Let's move on the next point. Okay kids, so next topic is types of animals. Types of animals. So there are different kind of animals, so it is not easy to learn about all animals, but science have made it easy. On the basis of eating food, on the basis of eating food, we can divide different kind of animals, different type of animals in three parts. Yes, on the basis of eating food, yes, we can divide different kind of animals into three parts. First, herbivore. Second, carnivore. Third, omnivore. Yes, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. What is the spelling of herbivore? Look at the spelling. What is the spelling of herbivore? H E R B I V O R E. Herbivore. It is singular. Herbivores is plural. I have written herbivore means it is singular. If I use S, then it will become plural, herbivores. Second, carnivore. Yes, what is the spelling of carnivore? CARNIVORE. Carnivore. And carnivore is singular, carnivores is plural. If you use S, then it will become plural, carnivores. Last type of animal, omnivore. OMNIVORE. Omnivores. Okay, so there are three type of animals on the basis of eating food: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay, now we will study about each type of animal in detail. First we will study about herbivores, then carnivores, and at last about omnivores. Okay, now let's move on the next topic. So kids, today's first kind of topic on the basis of eating food is herbivores. So what are herbivores? What are herbivores? You can see on the screen, I have written the definition in red color. So what are herbivores? Animals which eat plants or plants product are called herbivores. Animals which eat only and only plants and plants product. Yes, herbivores eat only plants and their product. They eat nothing else. Yes, they don't eat animals. Okay, there are many herbivores plant. So there are many herbivores animal. You can see the picture: elephant, deer, and rabbit. They are herbivores. They are herbivores because they eat plant and plants product. Okay, so herbivores are animals that only eat plants, and they have wide flat teeth for grazing on grass or beak to open nuts. Yes, they have wide flat teeth for grazing. Yes, for grazing means for eating grass. For eating grass they have flat teeth. Yes, like buffalo. Buffalo have flat teeth, wide flat teeth for eating, for grazing grass. And many herbivores animal have beak to open nuts. Yes, beak. There are many birds. There are many birds which are herbivores. Yes, there are many birds which are also herbivores. Okay, I hope you understood. So, what are herbivores? Animals which eat only plants and plants product are called herbivores. Animals which eat only plants or plants product are called herbivores. Okay, understood? Now let's move on the some examples. Okay, kids. Now look at the picture. What do you think? Are these animals herbivores or not? Are these animals herbivores or not? Yes, they all are herbivores animal. They all are herbivores animal. And in the picture you can see that these animals are grazing. These animals are grazing. Yes, because they have wide flat teeth for grazing. Yes, so herbivores animal eat only plants and plants product. So first picture you can see the what is the name of first animal. You can see on the screen the name of first animal is sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Yes, sheep eat only plant or plant product, and we get different kind of thing from sheep, like we get wool. Yes, wool is used to make clothes, shawl, muffler, sari. So even many people eat the meat of sheep. Yes, many people eat the meat of sheep. Next, zebra. Yes, actually zebra crossing. Zebra crossing word is actually originated from the color of body of zebra. Yes, zebra crossing is word actually derived from the color of zebra animal. Yes, zebra eat plants. Giraffe, GIRAFFE, giraffe. It is the tallest animal you can see. So giraffe also eat plant and product. Cow, yes, cow eat. What does cow eat? Cow eat plant product. Cow eat grass. Okay, and other animals like buffalo, goat, they also eat grass. Okay, understood. Now let's move on the next topic. Okay, kids. So next topic is carnivores. Okay, carnivores. So what are carnivores? Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. Yes, animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. Yes, they eat the meat, or you can say flesh. They eat the flesh of other animals. Yes, they eat the flesh of other animals. So a carnivore is an animal that eat mainly or exclusively meat. Yes, mainly eat meat. A carnivore is an animal that eat mainly or exclusively meat. For example, lion. Simple example, you can see the picture of lion. You can see the picture of lion. Lion eat small and large animals. Yes, lion eat small animals as well as large animals. Yes, big animals such as hyena, antelope, wild beast. Yes, hyena, antelope, wild beast. Hyena is also a carnivorous, my friend, and hyena is also a carnivorous animal. Okay, don't forget. WILDEBEEST. Look at the spelling of wildebeest. Actually, it is not wild beast, it is wildebeest. WILDEBEEST. Can you see the spelling? WILDEBEEST. Wildebeest. Where is the spelling? Yes, I have not uploaded, I have not shown the picture of wildebeest, but you can search on Google. This animal wildebeest actually looks very unique, very different. Yes, you will think what kind of face this animal has, because it neither look like deer nor look like cow, bull. Its shape is very unique. Yes, but wildebeest eat grass. Okay, so lion eat small and large animals. Wolves, yes, wolves, wolves, wolves word is plural, singular is wolf. Yes, wolf eat small animals and rodent animal and birds. Yes, so wolf eat small animals, birds, and rodent animals. What are rodent animals? What are rodent animals? RODENTS. RODENTS. Rodent animal. So, what is the meaning of rodent animal? Actually, animals who bite off. Yes, who know through the teeth, or who bite off, who make the small pieces, like rat, squirrel. Yes, rat and squirrel both are rodent animal. Yes, because they bite it off, or you can say they nibble with the help of teeth, or they gnaw through, you can say, or they gnaw. No, GNAW. No, GNAW. They gnaw through their teeth. So I hope you understood what are carnivorous animal. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. Now let's see some more example. Okay, kids, look at the screen. You can see the picture of different kind of animals. Can you tell me, are these animal herbivores or carnivores? Are these animals herbivores or carnivores? Yes, these animals are carnivores. They are not herbivores. Okay. So look the first picture. Fox. Yes. Fox. Fox is a carnivorous animal, and fox eat small animals. Yes, fox eat small animal. Wolf. Next is wolf. You can see the picture of wolf. Wolf eat birds, rodent animal, small animals. What is the meaning of rodent? I told you few moment ago. What is the meaning of rodent? Rodent animals. What are rodent animals? Yes, animals who bite off, with their teeth. Yes, or you can say animals who know through the teeth. Okay, means they make their food into small pieces. Okay, lion, you already know. Tiger, you know that it is carnivore. Shark, SHARK, shark. Yes, my dear friends, shark is a carnivorous animal. Isn't it surprising? Yes, shark can eat other small fish. So shark is carnivorous. Okay. Now let's move on the next topic. Okay, kids. So next topic is omnivores. Omnivores. So what are omnivores? Animals which eat both animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Yes, those animals who eat plants as well as animals. Yes, plants and animals who eat both, they are known as omnivores. Yes, so omnivores eat plants and animals. Yes, for example, you can see the picture of bear. Bears are omnivores. Bears are omnivores that can eat fish and also berries. Yes, bears are omnivores that can eat fish and berries, and we also know that bears like honey so much. Okay, so omnivores are those animals who eat plants as well as animals product. Look the next picture. Can you see the picture of an animal? What is the name of this animal? What is the name of this animal? Yes, the name of this animal is raccoon. Look the spelling of raccoon. RACCOON, raccoon. RACCOONS, raccoons. Yes. So actually it is not big in size, but raccoon eat fish. Yes. This animal love to eat fish. Fruits, nuts, and amphibians. Yes, raccoon eats amphibian animals. Yes. So, what is the meaning of amphibian? What are amphibian animals? Tell me, kids, what are amphibian animal? Animals that can live on both land and water. Yes, amphibians are those animals that live on land as well as in water. Yes, for example, frogs, toads, they live on both. So we can say frog and toads are amphibian animal, and this animal, raccoon, RACCOONS, raccoon, eat frogs and toad. So raccoon is a omnivorous, bear is also an omnivorous. They eat plants as well as animal. Okay, understood? Now let's see some more examples of omnivores. Okay, kids, look the picture. Examples of omnivores. First picture, people. People. People means we. We. Human being. Human being is not a herbivorous animal. Human being is not a herbivorous animal. It is omnivorous animal. Yes. Human being love to eat plants product as well as animals product. Yes. So animals give milk, meat, and different birds give egg. So human being is a omnivorous. Okay. Next picture, bear, bear. I have already explained about bear. Pig, yes, pig is a omnivorous animal. Pig can eat flesh of other animals and plant product. Yes. Next is hen, hen, hen. Yes, hen. Do you think hen is herbivores? No, it is neither herbivores nor carnivores. It has both property. So hen eat plants product as well as animal product. Yes. So people, bear, pig, hen, tiger, sorry, tiger not, raccoon, raccoons, raccoons, they are omnivores. They are omnivores. Okay, understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So today we studied different kind of animals. Now let's see the summary. Let's see the summary. Different kind of. You can see a chart on the screen. You can make the same chart in your notebook. You can make the same chart in your notebook. Okay. Different kind of food that animals eat. Yes. First, herbivores. Herbivores, which what are herbivores? Animals which eat plants or plant product. Yes, animals which eat plants or plants product are called herbivores. You can see the examples. First example, rabbit. Second, cow. Third, horse. Fourth, elephant. Yes, rabbit, cow, horse, and elephant. Yes, these are herbivores animal. Okay. Other examples of herbivores: buffalo, goat. Okay. And I also told you one example, wildebeest. Wildebeest. Yes, search the picture of wildebeest on Google. Okay. Next is carnivores. Yes. What are carnivores? Animals which eat. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. Yes. Carnivorous animals eat the flesh of other animals. They eat the meat of other animals. Yes. For example number one, tiger. Second, lion. Third, wolf. Fourth, snake. Yes. Tiger, lion, wolf, snake. Yes. These are carnivorous animals. Okay. Because they eat meat. They eat flesh. Last, omnivores. Omnivores. Yes. Tell me the definition of omnivores. Yes, animals which eat both plants and animals. Animals which eat, those animals which eat plants and animals are called omnivores. You can see the example number one, many bird. I have written only the word bird. Many bird like vulture, eagle, they are omnivores. Duck, yes, duck is also omnivore. Mouse, bear, hen, they are omnivores. Okay, I hope you understood. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Okay, now it's time to test you. How much did you learn today? Let's move on the next topic. Okay, kids. Now look the picture. Look the picture of some animals. I have not written anything. You will tell me, are these herbivores, omnivores, or carnivores? Yes. Look the first picture. Zebra. Is zebra herbivores, omnivores, or carnivores? Yes, zebra is herbivores. You can see in the picture clearly, zebra like to eat grass. Zebra like to eat grass. Okay, so it is herbivores because herbivores eat plants or plant product. Now look the second picture. Can you tell me the name of this animal? Can you tell me the name of this animal? Yes, the name of this animal is koala bear. Yes, Kola, koala. Yes, what is the name of this animal? Koala bear. Yes, koala bear. What does koala bear eat? What does koala bear eat? You can see clearly in the picture, koala bear eat leaves. Yes, it means koala bear is a herbivore. Look the third number picture, deer. Are deer herbivores or carnivores? Tell me. They are herbivores, yes. Giraffe. I have already explained giraffe is a herbivore. Tell me, is elephant herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores? Yes. Herbivores is a elephant. Yes, elephant is a herbivores. So, because elephant eat plants and plants product. Last picture, cow. Cow give us milk. We use milk to make different kind of product. What does cow eat? Cow eat grass. It means cow is a herbivorous animal. Okay. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. Now look few more pictures and tell me, are these herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores? Look the first picture. What is the name of this animal? Do you think tiger? No, it is not tiger. The name of this animal is jaguar. Yes, jaguar. Jaguar is also name of a car. It is jaguar. Yes. What do you think? Jaguar eat plants or plant product? No, my dear kids. Jaguar does not eat plant. Jaguar eat the flesh of other animals. Jaguar kills the other animal. So, jaguar is a carnivores, because what are carnivores? Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. Look the picture of crocodile. Yes, crocodile. What do you think? Crocodile, about crocodile. Crocodile. Does crocodile like to eat fruit? Does crocodile like to eat vegetables? No. Crocodile does not eat vegetables or fruit. So crocodile eat only animals, other animals, flesh of animals. So we can say crocodile is a carnivore animal. Yes, crocodile is a carnivore animal because it eats flesh of other animal. Look the last picture. What do you think? Are these dog, fox, or something else? They are wolves. Yes, wolves. Wolf, wolf is singular, wolves is plural. Wolf eat other animals. It means we can say wolf is a carnivorous animal. Yes, jaguar, panther, tiger, lion, crocodile, wolves, they all are carnivorous animals. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now look the picture of few more animals I have shown on the screen. Tell me, are these herbivores, carnivores or omnivores? Look the first picture of a boy. A boy is eating fish. A boy is eating fish. We human being, including kids, boys, whatever, we all are omnivores. Yes, because what are omnivores? Animals which eat plants and animals, other animals are called omnivores. So human being is omnivores. Now look the second picture. It is a small bird. What is the name of this bird? Kiwi. 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 Yes. Isn't it surprising that kiwi is omnivorous? Yes. Kiwi also is a omnivorous animal. Okay. Now look the next picture. You can see the picture of ostrich. Yes, ostrich are very big in size. Yes, they can kill a human being by just kicking. Yes, they can kill human being. And the egg of ostrich is biggest in size. So ostrich, what do you think? Ostrich eat animals, other animals? Yes, ostrich eat other animals, but ostrich also eat plants product. So ostrich is a omnivore. Yes, ostrich is a omnivore animal. Okay. Look the last picture, picture of a bear, bear. Omnivore, bear is a omnivore animal because it love to eat. Bear love to eat plants product and animal product. Okay. So I hope you understood. Human being, kiwi, ostrich, bear, hen, hen also eat. Okay. These are omnivorous animals. Okay. Now let's move on the last point. So my dear friends, it's time to ask you question. It's time to ask you some question. You can write down these question in your notebook. Please note down these question. Question number 1. I am reading question number 1. From where do we get food? From where do we get food? Tell me. We get food from plants and animals. Yes, we get food from plants and animals. Yes, food comes from plants and animals because we eat plants and we also eat animals and animals product. Okay, understood? Now move on the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, what do plants give? Yes, what do plants give? Plants give us fruits and vegetables. Yes, plants give us fruits and vegetables. Yes, different kind of fruit we get from plant like mango, apple, grapes, cucumber, and different kind of vegetables like radish, carrot, potato, tomato, red chili, cauliflower, cabbage we get from plants. And other thing we get from plants like oil, we also get from plants oil, we also get from plants spices, different medicines. Yes, okay, understood. Now, moving on the last question. Question number 3. Define following with example. Yes. Define following with examples. Yes. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. So, what are herbivorous animals? I have already told you, and I think you must have learned that animals which eat plants or plant product are called herbivores, like rabbit, cow, horse, elephant, and buffalo, goat. Carnivores, animals which eat other animals, depend on the other animals, means they eat the flesh of other animals, are called carnivores, like tiger, lion, wolf, snake. Yes. Jaguar, panther, okay, fox. Okay, next, omnivores. What are omnivores? Animals which eat both plants and animal product. Yes, like vulture. Vulture is a bird. Duck is a bird. Mouse, bear, and raccoon. Yes, do you remember raccoon, the name of raccoon? Yes, raccoon is omnivorous. Okay, so today's lesson is finished. Now, in next class we will study about plants in detail. Okay, so please learn all these simple definition I have told you today. Now we will meet in next class. Till then, goodbye.